Hello, hola, travelers, and welcome back to our podcast, your go to show for curated adventures around the world. Today, we're diving into the cobblestones, streets, sun kissed coastlines, and pastel tone towns of one of Europe's most enchanting countries, Portugal. Grab your headphones and a pastel de nata because we're taking you on a detailed 15-day journey to Portugal, airport to airport, with iconic sites like the Pink Street and Green Street, hotel and food recommendations, Instagram photo tips, souvenir ideas, secret local gems, trivia, and an estimated total budget in US dollars. So let's go. So in day one, arrival in Lisbon. Um, you arrive on the Roberto Delgado Airport, the LIS, or maybe a short for Lisbon. Hotel, recommended hotel is My Story Hotel Roxo, around $140 per night. Activity, light evening walk through Praca do Comércio. Dinner at Time Out Market. Grab local bites for $25. Local tip, don't buy water from tourist spots. Convenience stores are half the price. And then Instagram spot, Arco da Roa Augusta at sunset. Trivia, did you know Lisbon is older than Rome? It's one of the oldest cities in the Western Europe. So in day two, let's go to highlights in Lisbon. Morning, tram 28 ride through Alfama. Lunch at Alfama Cellar for $20. Afternoon, go to São Jorge Castle and Se Cathedral. Evening, sunset at Miradoro de San Jora do Monte. Souvenir, buy the handmade ceramic tiles, or you call it azulejos, for $10. Instagram tip, tram 28 pics are best taken from the outside at stops. So especially at Portas do Sol. In day three, we go to the Pink Street in Bairro Alto. So morning, explore LX Factory for indie shopping. Lunch at Nicolau Lisboa for $18. Afternoon, chill at Pink Street. Evening, dinner and fado in Bairro Alto for $35. Local tip, visit Pink Street early morning for a clean shot. By night, it's packed with party goers. And day four, let's go to the Centra day trip. Morning train to Roxo San station to Centra, usually around 8:10 a.m. the first trip, or the trip going there, for $5 to $6 round trip. Sites, you can go to Palace or Quinta de la Regaleria. Lunch at Tascantiga for $25. Dinner back in Lisbon at Severicha for $40. Instagram tip, capture the red and yellow turrets at Fina Palace from Cruz Alta Trail. And there's a trivia, Centra is a UNESCO site, once the summer retreat for Portuguese royalty. And day 5, Belém and Green Street. So morning, go to Hieronymus Monastery, Belém Tower. Snack, Pieste de Belém, best custard tarts for $3. Sometimes it's $1.50 to $3. So afternoon, go to Maat Museum in Green Street in Caes do Sodre. Dinner at See Me at $35. Local tip, museum entrance are free on the first Sunday of the month. So photo tip, shoot the Green Street from above at rooftop bars like Rio Maravilha. So day 6, travel to Porto. Train, you can go to train by Alpa Pendular, 3 hours for $35. Hotel, you can go to Torrell Avant-Garde for $170 per night. Dinner at Adega Sao Nicolau at $30. Trivia, Porto is the birthplace of port wine and known for its blue tile churches. Souvenir, a small bottle of authentic port wine for $15. In day 7, Porto Wonders. Morning, you can go around on Livraria Lilio, Sao Bento Station. Lunch at Casa Guedes for fork and cheese sandwich for $12. Afternoon, go to Douro River Walk, Dom Louis E Bridge. Dinner at Riviera Riverside for $30. Instagram spot, the view from Hardem do Moro at golden hour. Local tip, buy a combo ticket for the tram and boat to save $10. Day 8, the Oro Valley Wine Tour. So full day tour is $100. Includes tasting and lunch. Evening rest day back in Porto. And then photo tip, vineyards at sunrise glow golden. Bring a polarizing lens for the best effect. Trivia, the terrace vineyards are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Day 9, you can travel to Coimbra. Train is 1.5 hours from Porto, $20. Hotel, you can go to Hotel Quinta das Lagrimas for $130. Visit University of Coimbra Library and dinner at Lugia for $25. Souvenir, university merchandise like ties, pins, and pens for $10. Day 10, Evora via Lisbon. So, train back to Lisbon, then bus to Evora for $30 total. Hotel Albergaria do Calvario for $120. Sites that you can see there is Chapel of Bones, Roman Temple. Dinner is dinner at Taberna Tipeca Quarta Fiera for $28. Trivia, Évora is one of the best preserved medieval towns in Portugal. Day 11, Algarve arrival at Lagos. So train from Évora to Lagos is 4.5 hours for $25. Hotel, you can go to Casa May, $180 per night. Dinner at the Garden for $22. Instagram tip, stop by Ponta de Piedade clips for golden hour cliffside shots. Souvenir, local made cork handbags for $30 plus. Day 12, Lagos beaches, morning. The Priaria Dona Ana kayaking tour for $45. Lunch, Nana Ba for $20. Evening, cliff hike and seafood dinner at O Camillo for $40. Local tip, book kayak tours early. They sell out by noon in high season. Day 13, day trip to Binagel Caves. Boat tour is $50. Lunch in Carbuero o Patio for $25. Return to Lagos for dinner. Trivia, the Binagel Cave can only be accessed by water, no walking in. Instagram tip, use a drone shot from the top of the cave for a unique view. Day 14, return to Lisbon. Train to Lisbon, 4.5 hours for $25. Hotel, recommended hotel is Lisboa Pessoa Hotel, $140 per night. You can go to dinner for Solar dos Pesontos for $40. Final souvenir hunt at Aveda Portuguesa, authentic Portuguese products. And day 15, departure from Lisbon Airport. Tip, arrive 3 hours early, especially in high season. So, cost of breakdowns, accommodation, $1,900. Food and drinks, $650. Transportation, trains, buses, local transit, $300. Tours and experiences, $400. Souvenirs and miscellaneous, $150. Total estimated cost is $3,400 USD per person. Local tip, Portugal remains one of the most affordable Western European destinations. So, there you have it. Your 15-day journey through Portugal. From sipping wine in the Douro Valley to cliff diving on the Algarve coast, soaking up history in Evora to posing on Pink Street. With a balanced blend of big city buzz, seaside serenity, and a hidden secrets, Portugal truly has it all. If you found this episode helpful, please leave us a review, share it with your travel buddies, and tag your Portuguese adventures here on our videos. And yeah, please subscribe. And until next time, boa viagem.